So there are 3 features inside of Teleport that are stupidly valuable for increasing the value of your sales, but a lot of people don't use them. So we're just gonna run through them in this video real quick. The first hidden feature that nobody's really aware of is third-party parts. You can have your 3D print made, and then you can include light pucks, wireless chargers, screws, nuts, magnets. We have wind-up toys. There are all kinds of different sorts of gadgets. A clock insert. All these things can be included with all of your orders and be made part of the match when you're creating a match. It is a premium feature, but what you can do is you can get a part and you can design a clock that then has a clock included in the back of it all so that your customer actually gets a complete product. And this takes it from a plastic part that could be used as a wireless charger to something that actually is a wireless charger. So it takes it from something that could be worth 10 bucks to something that's worth 50. So we highly recommend using third-party parts because it will increase the value of your sales across the board and give you a big competitive advantage. The second hidden feature that people aren't really aware of are custom insert cards. So if you are a premium user of Teleport, then what you can do is you can create a 4x6 insert card that will be printed and shipped with every one of your orders. You can make this card part of the match to where it works with particular items, so you can include like instruction manuals or a QR code to an assembly video to go along with all your parts, or you can create one generic one for your store that's like a handwritten thank you note that you scanned in, and then a QR code to your website. We don't mind, go for it. This allows you to get your customers moved where you need them to go and have the resources that they need when they open up the box. And this applies to both Teleport and Portals. It is a 4x6 sheet. It is printed off with every order, and you can just upload a 4x6 PNG image, and that will print out with any of the orders that you want it to. It's a fantastic feature that a lot of people don't realize is available, but is right there if you want to go ahead and use it to improve the customer experience on the backside. And the third and final feature that a lot of people aren't really aware of is we have an unlimited refund policy. Don't abuse it, don't be a jerk, don't run your store for free, but if you have any issue with any of your parts or a customer has any issue with any of your parts, you can contact us and we will instantly replace the item for free if you want us to do that, or there's literally just a refund button that pops up next to the order. You can click that, and if you click that button, you will instantly have the money transferred back. We don't ask questions, we're not going to evaluate it, we're not going to do anything. It is easier for everybody involved, for you to have a good experience, the customer get refunded, and for us to know that we screwed up. We care very deeply about making sure good quality parts go out the door. So if we make a mistake, we want it as easy as possible for people to tell us that there was a mistake. And we want to incentivize them to tell us about the mistake. So we'll just pay you back if there was an issue with it, any issue at all. You might have unreasonable standards and be a jerk. That's okay. We need unreasonable standards to make sure we are better than anybody else out there. But the instant and unquestioned refund policy is very unique and not available on any other print service on the planet, let alone print on demand. But it's something that allows our users to have very good security with us and be sure that if they're working with us, we're working for them. So those are 3 interesting features that people don't really realize are around. You can make really valuable parts by adding in third-party pieces like wireless chargers. You have custom insert cards, and you have an instant refund policy, so if we ever screw up, you have us on the hook. So that's how it all works, guys. If there are, let me know down in the comments if there's other features inside of Portals that you don't think people are really aware of, and let me know, because the Teleport 3D print service is a really amazing product and we've worked on for a long time. I recommend going and checking it out. It takes like 30 seconds to start selling something on Portals. Have a great day, everybody.